Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Quora account. First you need to go to Quora and then log in. Click here on your profile icon and then go to settings and then you click on privacy and then you scroll down. Yeah, here then you can choose either delete or deactivate your account. If you click on delete account, it's mean you will delete all the information, all the posts, or you can choose deactivate. If you choose deactivate, I think that you will keep some information is like the post and Quora also they will email you for new information or any answer, yeah, something like that. But if you want to delete all the information, all the posts, then just click delete account. Yeah, and then yeah, because here I need to enter the password, and after that just you click done, and this is what you need to do. I hope this video is useful. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe in the channel if you are not subscriber yet. And if you have any questions or idea or suggestions, just leave them in the comment below. Thank you and see you.